how's it going? Ignore the dog that is whining in his crate over there. I just brought him for a walk and he's fine, but he wants to be with Mama right now. So we're just going to ignore him and go on with our lives and do our little videos and hope that, you know, he settles down, which he will because he's older. So he whines only for a few minutes. Anyway, guys, today I wanted to talk about internal hydration. So not just the hydration that we put on our face and creams and all of that. And, you know, you should hydrate your face. You should wash your face. You should put moisturizer on your face. And at the age we are, you know, the more the better. But there is one important element. If you don't hydrate the insides of you as well as the outside of you, you're still going to have a lot of issues as far as dry skin, patchy skin, you know, just feeling like a prune, especially in the wintertime. So I brought down some of the things that I am taking or drinking, and it's not going to be a long video. This is just suggestions. I'm not telling you to drink this stuff or buy this stuff. I'm just telling you what I use as far as some of my hydration needs, especially in the wintertime. You need to hydrate just as much in the winter, if not more, than in the summer, because if you're outdoors, if you're doing labor, if you are shoveling your car out of the snow, you are burning calories, you are burning you know, you're exuberating heat out of your system, and you're exposed to the elements, your skin is exposed to the elements, and you are drying out. There's no question about it, okay? Especially in that cold wind and, you know, weather environment. Okay, again, just a couple of things. This is not going to be a long, drawn-out video. This is just a suggestion that you keep up your hydration, a friendly reminder from me to be healthy this year. Let's start off this year in a really good way and try to do the best for ourselves while we are, you know, sticking ourselves in our house all day, okay? One of my favorites that I love is the Body Armor. I get the light one for the low calorie, no sugar added, and none of this is sponsored, so, you know, like I said, it's just a suggestion. I like the flavor of it. I just love the flavor of it. It's got electrolytes in it. I can take it to work. It's very user-friendly. It's the right size. I can stick it into my lunch bag and, you know, have at it during the day. And I don't mind drinking it because, like, this one's peach mango. It's one of my favorites, really one of my favorites. Let me see. I have my little handy dandy specs here, so I can tell you it's got 0 fat, 40 milligrams of sodium, total carbohydrate. Now it does have a little, it's a little bit, it's got 20 calories per serving, but it's 18 grams of carbs. Total sugar is 2 grams, includes 0 added sugar, which is good, and protein is 0. The carbs in it, I guess it's for, you know, when you're working out. Obviously Body Armor is for, you know, when you do your workouts and gym and things like that, you do need some carbs to keep going. But it's, you know, it's got the filtered water, and it's got the coconut water in it, citrus acid, natural flavors, niacinamide. It's got zinc, vitamin E, vitamin B9, vitamin B12, vitamin A. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. Natural peach mango flavor. It's just got a whole good guava. It's got guava, and it's got stevia extract for the, you know, for the I guess sweetness. Oh, I can't see a blessed thing with these on from far away. There. So yes, one of my favorite picks, and I have this flavor, and I wanted to show you the berry punch flavor. So these are really my go-tos, and I usually choose the light one, as you can see, light, because it only has the 20 calories in it, so I'm all about that. If you like Kool-Aid, Powerade, 0 sugar, sports drink. This berry one, this grape one, is literally like grape Kool-Aid. It just goes back to my childhood of the, you know, summer Kool-Aid days, you know, the pictures and everything. I really like it. You know, it's not as much my favorite as the Body Armor one is, but I really do love this one. And, you know, as you can see, I've gone to town with it. This is within the last 24 hours. I just sip a little, put it back in the fridge, sip a little, put it back in the fridge, and that's how I go. It's a little too big for carrying around as far as, how do you call it, you know, lunch or anything like that. But I really, really enjoy this one. Stop. He's fidgeting so much in there. Oh. Okay, the other one that I wanted to make mention for drinking is the Hint water. Now, I don't believe that this has electrolytes in it, but it is an essence water, which I love. This is the peach one. Yep, sparkling water with peach essence. And they have a number of them. I like their mint one. I think they have like a berry one. There's a couple of them that I really, really like. Again, very portable. This is just straight up, you know, sparkling water. 0 calories in this one, so this has absolutely no calories in it. And let me just see what some of the ingredients are. There's not many. Carbonated water and natural flavors. That's it. And, you know, made in San Francisco, California. Love these. I keep these on hand. Now, for actual supplements, okay, there's 2 supplements that I use. Both are collagen-based supplements. I've recently picked up this one. This is the Spring Valley Collagen Plus C. It's got 2,500 milligrams of bioactive collagen in it per serving. Dietary supplement. It's for hair, skin, and nail health. Oh, let me put it to you this way. And, you know, I don't really use it for nail or, you know, hair health. I have just been a big proponent of collagen for many years. I take it in pill format. I really don't take it in powder format that much. I don't gravitate to the powder. If I take my vitamins, it's really easy for me just to pop another extra pill or 2 for my collagen. So that's just the way my intake is. Everybody is different. Some people like their flavored collagen and almost make a smoothie out of it or a shake out of it. But this has 15 calories for 3 tablets, so 5 calories each. It's not going to burn the bank here. 2 grams of protein, vitamin C 60 milligrams and sodium 25 milligrams, and then it has bioactive collagen 2,500 milligrams for the 3 tablets. And that includes type 1 and type 3 collagen. And it's got a really good base. I'm not sure for those that are, usually they do ask me about gelatin, and I'm trying to see, there is cellulose, stearic acid, contains 2% or less of calcium ascorbate, carnauba wax, and I'm trying to see if there's any gelatin in it. I do not believe there is. There's some alcohol, polyvinyl alcohol, whatever you call that, silica, talc, tartaric acid, titanium dioxide, and that is it. So no gelatin in this, for anyone that needs to know, and that's how it looks like. Spring Valley. I'm not sure about the price. I'm thinking about $18. It's not cheap. It's not cheap, but it's not, you know, it's not extravagant. And the last one here is collagen youth theory and skin, hair, and nails, 6,000 milligrams, enhanced with vitamin C. Again, collagen and vitamin C seem to go hand in hand. Don't know why, but it seems to be the rigmarole here. These are 6 tablets. I usually take 3, not 6 of these. And so it has hydrolyzed collagen, 6,000 milligrams, vitamin C 90 milligrams, and amino acid values listed below. It's got a bunch of amino acids in here. Too much to mention, so I'm not going to mention it. But I've been taking this brand for years. I really, really like this brand. It's, I think, close to 4 or 5 years now, you know, if not more. I just keep picking it up. And, you know, it's available at the local stores. There's a vitamin store that has it, or you could go on Vitacost. Vitacost has it. You know, most of these are available. If you do shop at Vitacost, you know, you'll get a little discount or something, I think, if you, you know, shop there quite often. So that is all there is. Again, you don't have to get the ones that I'm talking about. I certainly hope that you do get something. In fact, I'm going to take a little swig because I feel like my throat is a little hoarse. Hang on. Sippy, sippy. Seriously. Grape Kool-Aid. Seriously. Yum. It's almost like a, you know, also like how you have those popsicle sticks you can make with Kool-Aid. Just tastes like that. It's so good. I really like the grape one. I don't know why. Yeah, everyone's partial to their flavor, but grape seems to be my favorite for the Powerade, you know. Okay. Yeah. So, welcome if you are new here. Yes, this is my wacky little world of health and skincare and all of that, all rolled into one. I talk about a lot of these things, and I hope you enjoy my videos. You know, it's winter time. People are staying indoors. I get it. And, you know, we're trying to stay healthy. We're trying to make the best of these situations. I can't believe it's been a year now. A year since the beginning of this virus. A year. It's crazy. But, you know, we're all trying to stay healthy, trying to walk around and do as much as we can. And I hope you are healthy. I hope that you are well. Please stay safe. Be proactive with your, you know, washing of hands and all of that. I won't get, you know, on my soapbox about it. I've always been kind of germophobic, so to me that was nothing new as far as washing a hand or anything. My biggest dilemma right now, seriously, I know I'm off on a tangent, but bear with me, is trying to find Lysol spray. I can't find it anywhere. I'm going online. Some stores say that they're low in stock, you know, or they might have it. I get there, they're already out as soon as I get there. I've been getting all these other things called like microban and this other type of spray, fine mist spray. I want to have it like a fine mist spray, not the actual pumping, you know, heavier like watery spray. And it's very, very hard to find. In fact, I think one coworker of mine or someone told me that either Costco or Sam's Club is the only one that has like a pallet of Lysol sprays that came in, but I bet you they're gone by now. You know, I'm on this quest for Lysol spray. One day I will find it. It's like a unicorn. Seriously, it's like trying to find a unicorn. You can't find it anywhere. It's craziness. But anyway, stay safe, guys. You know, do the best you can with what we got. You know, be good out there, and I love you all. I'm worried about you, honest to God. I worry a lot about my my subbies and how they're doing. Leave your comments below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know that you're well and everything is okay with you guys or whatever is going on. I would love to hear from you. And if you use anything else as far as your electrolytes or hydrating yourself from within, let us all know, because we would love to learn from you. And that's it. I love you guys, and give it a thumbs up if you like. Please share it with friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.